Hello everyone, welcome to the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 13th, 2020. We have here today 6 Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and a binary and a tectonic. And look, this tectonic, they have improved the lines. They have listened to us because I have complained about the lining are so weak. So they have improved it, and I'm very happy that the publisher has listened to us. So we begin first with the Sudoku with 1 star. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, and usually with the Sudoku with 1 star there are 27 printed numbers. Let's check this if it's correct. We have here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23, 25, plus 2 is 27. So it's correct. 27 printed digits in this Sudoku. So let's get started. A lot of 3s. So 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. And now, how about the number? Let me see. 6. How about yes. The number 5. We see here 5 in this row. A 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in the first column, we have a 5 in one of these two boxes. In the third column, we have a 5 over there. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Let me see, an 8 in this column, and 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. In this big square, wait. We have an 8 in the first row, and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have in this row an 8 in one of these two boxes. In the row below, we have an 8 over there. So in the last row, the only three places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. And we have an 8 there, no 8 here. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8, I believe. Yes. I need to wait. How about these two numbers in this big square? Two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then yeah. 6. And 4. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These two numbers, the 4 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two missing numbers in the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9 are missing. 7 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about uh 9. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7 are missing. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. That means the other two numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. Then yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? The number. 2, 5. I'm thinking. Yeah. This column, the middle column, 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. So we have a pair here, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left here should be the 9. These 3 numbers, the 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. 6, 7, and the 9. 6, 7. We have a 9 here, and 6 and 7, so we have a pair here. The 9 should be there. So one number left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 1 and the 7. We have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for 9 here or there. And I know these two boxes contains a 9. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. And this should be the 9. Two numbers left in the last column, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. 1, yeah, the 6 should be here. One number left in this column for the number 1. One number left in this big square for the number 7. One number left in this column for the number 1. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 6 and this should be the 7. One box left in this row for the number 6. Two numbers left, the 9 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers in this row for the numbers 4 and 1? We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so these two missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So thank you and bye bye for now.